Conder's excellent bird in the world. Its special and unique facts in by separately in the world it's an Conder. The heaviest bird of the prey is an Conder in the world. We are looking that Andean Condor. It's through the wind truly spectacular sight. It is in size yet effortlessly graceful. This beautiful giant serves one of the child's favorite creature in the world. It's not possible to easy to see reason the condors as may unique qualities and then characteristics set and apart from other birds. It is an curious about no lion. Is where see about that. It is then facts about the Andean condors. The condors are the one of the largest flying bird in the world. They can actually weigh up to 15 to 32 kgs. They have wingspan up to 3.2 meters, that's equivalent to 10.5 feet or roughly 2 times height an average female. Due to their weight and size, condors prefer in a fly in a windy areas. They weigh air, can glide along the breeze. The Andean condor is a child's nature bird, is part of country coat of arms. The condor is a part of Inca trilogy along the snake and puma. In case believing condor was a sacred bird and then represented the idea of heaven. One way distinguishes between the male and female condor is look their eyes. Females have red eyes, and that while males have the brown color eyes. Condors have a lot of endurance. In a single day, they can fly as far 300 kilometers. That's mean 180 miles in a search of food. In a single day, 300 kilometers. Andean condors serve as important symbol in Patagonia, meaning power, liberty, and health. This bird can only reproduce once every 2 or 3 years. Sadly, the condor population has decreased nowadays due to poaching and poisoning effects from the ranchers and hunters. Their conservation status is near threatened. The condors has a bald head. It's believed that characteristic developed due to their feeding habit as way to maintain hygiene. The condors live very long life. Wild condors can live up to 50 years and then captively they can live longer. The oldest condor that we know that lived be 18 years old. 80 years old and that condor that we know that lived longest oldest condor 18 years old. The condors are the scavengers typically feeding of animals that have already died. Instead of making of nest, condors lay their eggs on a edge of the cliff. The Andean condor is featured in one of Chill's most popular comics. This famous cartoon character is called the Condorito and is entertaining kids and adults like since on 1949. Knowledge Lumin all about birds. Now, the heaviest bird of prey is condor. The condors either of two types, the largest New World vultures, the Andean condor and then California condor, that are the two of the largest flying birds in the world. The wing spans up to the Conder's 3.2 meters, that's mean 10.5 feet, have been reported for male Andean condors and adult California condors, typically 2.9 meters from beak tails of the body is about 1.2 meters long. The male Andean condors here, the weight is very great, up to 15 kgs, and the female Andean and then both sexes Californian condors, the weight is for the 11 kgs in the weight. Now we are first one of watching is an Andean condor. The Andean condor is a black bird with a grayish white wing feathers, a white fringe, the feathers around the neck and the bare red pinkish head, neck and crop. The male have large curlicue fleshly protuberance on the forehead, top of the beak and then turkey like a neck wattless. The species ranges through the Andes mountains of South America. When hunting on prey, the Andean condor soars a thermal and upslopes winds remain aloft that can glide for more than 160 kilometers without flapping its wings. It is an amazing one. In Peru and then child disease is the Pacific coast where it feeds on the dead marine animals such as seals and fishes. Andean condors are rare in northern America. North and Southern America, it isn't rare nowadays. Still relatively common in the southern part of the range. Around about 6,700 adult Andean condors remain in the world. The young are raised on remote ledges and in caves altitude about 3,000 meters using no nesting material. The white egg measures about 12 centimeters long. The adult California condors are mostly black with bold white wing endings and the bare red orange head, neck and crop. Young birds have the dark head that gradually became a red the air around in the 6 years of the age. They forage in the open country and feed excluding in the carrion. California condors nest is a cliff under large rocks. Other natural cavities including the holes redwood trees. They generally breed every other year, laying single unmarked greenish white egg measuring about its for 11 centimeter long. Most of California condors reproduce sexually. Some female birds have been able to reproduce that through in the 2021 researchers reported that two captive female bird produced a chick that hatched from the unfertilized egg. Thank you for watching Knowledge Lumen YouTube channel. Do you want to like more than the animals in the world? Let's subscribe and click the bell icon Knowledge Lumen YouTube channel.